Don't worry, I'll show you. Okay, guys. So our second type of tense that we'll cover now is present continuous. We all understood present simple uses which form of tense or which form of verb?
First.
Very good. Now, our present continuous is used when we want to talk about something that is continuing in the moment. Okay. So if something is continuing right now, for example, I am teaching. It is a continuous action and it is not finished. Is it finished? Have I stopped teaching?
No,
No, I've not, right? So can I say that present continuous is used for actions that are not finished? So the use of present continuous is for actions that are continuing right now and are not finished. Actions that are continuing right now. People get confused between present continuous and present simple, right? Because present simple says things that are repeated, and present continuous also says something that is happening like continuously. But that is a habit. Present simple is a habit.
ma'am, we use
Yes.
ing.
What, Anna?
Ma'am, we use ing in
And
continue.
correct. For the structure, let's look at the structure now. Can you all see here at the bottom this, right? This is the structure of present continuous. Okay. Am is or are plus first form of the verb and then ing. I am teaching. She is eating. They are running. Okay. So what am I doing here? I am using the auxiliary verb is am or are along with first form of the verb ending in ing. Got it? That is the structure. So when
Ma'am,
yes,
so basically present continuous is which work is happening right now and it is not finished. Like I'm talking right now and it is not finished.
yes. So you were saying I am talking right now, right? Because you're still talking. Now, after understanding the use, we understood the structure that whenever you come across a present continuous sentence, you'll always use is, am, or are plus first form plus ing, right? Someone saying something? Okay. Now,
Ma'am, please, ma'am, 1 second, please.
yeah, sure. One second. I turned the page. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Anyone who has any doubts in it, you can tell me. If it's clear, tell. Okay, great. All right. Now, our next tense is a very tricky tense, which we have done before. Okay. Now, let's read these dialogues first, and then you answer my question. Okay. Let's listen to these
Ma'am,
dialogues. Yes.
perfect tense uses been.
Been. Okay. Okay. But does it always use been?
Sorry, क्या?
Does it always use been?
No, ma'am, present perfect.
Present perfect continuous, and that is present perfect continuous, which always uses been. Okay. All right. Let's talk about present perfect right now. Now look at these sentences. Dave says, have you traveled a lot, Jane? Jane says, yes, I've been to lots of places. Dave says, really? Have you been to China? Have you ever been to China? Yes, I have been to China twice. So Jane says, what about India? Dave says, no, I haven't been to India. So anything common that you notice in all these sentences?
Ma'am, they are using have traveled. Ma'am, that's the second form. The second form.
Second form. Where is the second form?
Ma'am, we use traveled.
Traveled. Okay, so if the first form is travel, what is the third form of travel? What is the third form of travel?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
don't know, ma'am. Ma'am, traveling or traveled? Traveling.
Traveling. Are you sure about traveling?
Yes, ma'am. No.
So what's the third form?
Can have travel?
Traveled. Second form, traveled. Third form is also traveled.
Travel.
Okay, so it's travel, traveled, traveled. Okay, so can I say that in all these sentences, I am using the third form of the verb, right? I'm using the third form of the verb. And can you tell me which auxiliary verb is common in all these sentences?
Ma'am, have. Ma'am, been. Ma'am,
Be.
have.
What?
Ma'am, have.
Have. Very good. Have. Been, yes, is common, but we talked about it. Third form. Been is the third form. So we talked about it. Now, other than that, what is that auxiliary verb that's common? It is have. So I understand that present perfect uses has or have plus third form of the verb. Okay? What is the structure of present perfect? Has or have plus? Has or have plus?
Third form.
Third form of the verb. Now, why do we use present perfect? Okay, what do you think Dave and Jane are talking about?
Traveling.
Travel. Okay. So, what are they telling in travel?
Ma'am, they're telling that which places they have been
Very good.
gone and where, ma'am, and how many times.
What all places they have been to and what all places they've not been to. So, can I say they're sharing their experiences?
Yes. Yes,
I
ma'am.
can say that, right? So, present perfect, first use to talk about your experiences, things that you did in the past, but they are still counted in your present. Let's say you had an ice cream from some amazing place 2 years ago. So, today, if I ask you, have you ever tried an ice cream? Will you say no? I've not eaten an ice cream because you did not eat it today. So will you say no? I have never eaten an ice cream. No, you have eaten it. It is your experience, right? So although you did it in the past, but it still counts, right? So to talk about experiences, we use present.